cover a major environmental issue affecting our health, air pollution. Did you know that RA 8749 or Clean Air Act is created to protect our right to breathe clean air? Let's break it down.
That's right. The Clean Air Act regulates emission from the vehicles, industries, and even households. But not everyone follows the law. Let's see what happens when someone breaks the rules. Kuya, ang itim ng usok, mas matindi pa sa horror movie.
Sir, mukhang makapal na yung usok ng motor mo, sir, ah. Alam mo bang violation yan ng RA 8749?
Luma na makina ko eh. Ang hirap-hirap mamasada, saan ba kukuha ng pera pampaayos nito?
Hindi yan excuse, sir. Mr. Barrios, you are accused for violating Republic Act 8749. Do you know what is the penalty of violating Republic Act 8749?
Ano po yun, Judge?
A fine of 2,000 to 100,000 per day for air pollution violations. Industries that violate the law can be shut down. Even individuals caught burning garbage can be fined or jailed.
Oo, magpapaayos na pala ako ng makina nito.
Nice.
Good. The court rules keep our air clean.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am your criminology student Fresh Gwen. And today, dahil wala kaming pasok at kakatapos lang ng midterm exam, tara at samahan nyo kaming pumunta sa Blue Hole at explore ang napakagandang view at higit sa lahat ang makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. Dahil ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito ay tungkol sa RA 8749 or the Philippine Air Act of 1999. Kung paano ito kaimportante sa atin at hindi lang sa environment, pati na rin sa public safety at crime prevention. So tara, simulan na natin! First up, meron tayong air pollutants. These are harmful substances like smoke, dust, and chemicals that make our air dirty. Next, we have emission standards. These set the limits on how much pollution vehicles and factories can release. Lastly, we have open burning. Burning trash in the open is a big no. So there you have it. RA 8749 is more than just an environmental law. It's about keeping our community safe and healthy. Kagaya nitong nasa Blue Hole, napakasariwang hangin ang malalanghap mo. Saktong-sakto talaga na need namin mag-refresh dahil kakatapos lang ng bakbakan sa exam. As a future law enforcers, it's our duty to uphold and educate people about these laws. Let's do all our part in protecting our environment and our people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below on how you think we can better enforce these laws in our communities. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!
And that's a wrap. Remember, we all have a role in keeping the air clean.
Kung gusto mo makalanghap ng sariwang hangin, sumunod ka sa batas.
Gusto ko na naman pong maligo. Bakit ganito pa yung pinagdadaanan ko?
Hala, ano yun?